Hi and welcome to MDC Masterclass. If there's anything worse than ants in your pants, it's ants in your camper or caravan. But there's a way to stop it. Often we store non-perishables, biscuits, sugar, tea, coffee, etc. in our caravan ready for our next trip. Well, there's an easy way to stop the ants getting in. Let's have a look. I'll show you now. It's this easy. Just spread the powder in behind the wheel all the way around the tyre and back round on itself, creating an entire barrier to keep the ants away. Now, we do the jockey wheel and we're done. Now there's something I want you to remember. This might be great around the home, you've got control over the product, and all these sort of things contain chemicals. If you're camping in a sensitive area or a national park, leave this stuff at home. Don't take it. Don't ever put any foreign chemicals or substances on the soil in national parks, sensitive areas, wetlands. Just don't do it. Maybe it's okay at a caravan park, but check with the management first. If you've got a tip like this one, we want to hear about it. We want you to send us a message on Facebook and tell us your idea for a video. We'll put it together and present it to the world. For more great tips, more information, head across to our website, but definitely follow us on Facebook.